Artificial intelligence is transforming our world in remarkable ways. It's changing everything from how we handle healthcare to how we travel. The possibilities with AI are incredibly vast, and I invite you to join us in uncovering the exciting world of AI together. Let's start with understanding what is AI. AI involves computers and machines mimicking human intelligence processes. This includes tasks like solving problems, learning from experiences, and making decisions. Why is AI important? AI has the potential to transform the way we live and work, improving our health, productivity, and quality of life. AI in popular culture. AI has gained significant attention in movies, literature, and television, often portraying either extreme negative scenarios or idealized positive futures. There are two types of AI. Narrow AI, this is the kind of AI you see around you today. It's designed for specific tasks, like playing chess, recognizing faces in photos, or recommending movies. Narrow AI can excel in one area, but it doesn't truly understand things. It's very good at following instructions, but only for the tasks it's programmed for. General AI, this is more like the AI we often see in science fiction. It's not just great at one task, it's like a human in its ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge to different things. This level of AI could think and reason like a human, tackle various tasks, and adapt to new situations. These are the few fields of AI applications. In the field of healthcare, AI has the capability to examine medical images such as X-rays and MRIs, assisting doctors in identifying illnesses, anticipate potential drug options and their impacts, study patient information to customize treatments basis their unique genetic makeup and medical background. In the realm of finance, AI algorithms have the ability to scrutinize market patterns, leading to quicker, data-guided choices in stock trading, spot irregular trends in transactions to understand fraud. In the retail sector, AI has the capacity to suggest items to customers by considering their past buying behaviors. Chatbots can offer constant customer assistance round the clock, project consumer demand and optimizing inventory quantities. In the field of manufacturing, robots under AI control can undertake tasks such as assembling items within factories, identify flaws, bring efficiency and precision. In transportation, AI empowers vehicles to navigate and make choices autonomously, without human involvement, study traffic trends to give not congested routes, predict maintenance requirements. In the realm of entertainment, AI is responsible for suggesting movies, shows, music, and books according to users' preferences, adjusting the challenge level in games to enhance the overall gaming experience. In agriculture, AI plays a significant role by analyzing data collected from sensors to enhance crop output and minimize the wastage of resources, detect pests and diseases by scrutinizing images of plants, enabling early intervention to ensure healthier crops. AI is like the big umbrella that wants to make machines smart like humans. Inside that umbrella, there's a smaller one called machine learning. ML uses special tricks to teach machines from data. And there's an even smaller part called deep learning, which helps machines with really tough tasks, using something called neural networks with many layers. All these things work together to make machines smarter and do cool things. Machine learning is a way to make computers learn and improve from experience, just like humans do. Instead of giving computers exact instructions, we give them lots of examples, and they figure out the rules themselves. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning. It's like teaching a computer with labeled examples. We show the computer inputs and the correct answers, so it learns to predict answers for new inputs. For example, teaching a computer to recognize different fruits by showing it pictures of fruits with their names. Unsupervised learning. Here, the computer explores data on its own without knowing the right answers. It finds patterns and groups in the data. For example, grouping similar customers based on their buying habits without telling the computer how to group them. Reinforcement learning. This is like training a pet. The computer learns by trying actions and receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Example: teaching a computer to play a game by giving it points for winning and taking points away for losing. Image and speech recognition. This is how your phone recognizing your face to unlock it. Recommendation systems. It is like Netflix suggesting movies similar to the ones you watched. Healthcare diagnosis. Helps in identifying potential signs of diseases like cancer in medical images. Natural language processing, known as NLP. This is how chatbots that have conversations with you. Financial analysis. Banks using machine learning to spot unusual spending patterns. Autonomous vehicles. ML helps self-driving cars make decisions on the road. Environmental monitoring. ML predicts weather patterns and monitors pollution levels. Remember, ML is about making computers learn from examples and data, so they can do smart things without us telling them exactly what to do. It's used in many areas of our lives to make things better and more efficient. Deep learning is a way of teaching computers to understand things step by step, just like how we learn. Imagine you're showing a computer different parts of a puzzle, first edges, then shapes, and finally the whole picture. Each step helps the computer understand more and more about what it's looking at, just like how we learn from simple shapes to more complicated ideas. Deep learning is a subset of ML, inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks have the ability to process complex patterns and learn iteratively. How deep learning works. Imagine you're teaching a computer to recognize cats. In the first layer, it might learn to identify basic features like edges and corners. In the next layer, it might combine those features to recognize shapes. As it goes deeper, it learns more complex features, like patterns of fur, whiskers, and eyes. Eventually, it can identify a cat by combining all these learned features. Applications of deep learning. Image and video recognition. Deep learning helps computers identify objects, people, and actions in images and videos. Example: Facebook recognizing your friends in photos. Language translation. Deep learning translates languages, making communication across cultures easier. Example: Google Translate providing instant translations. Speech recognition. Deep learning helps computers convert spoken language into written text. Example: voice assistants like Alexa understanding your commands. Autonomous vehicles. Deep learning assists self-driving cars in identifying obstacles, reading road signs, and making driving decisions. Example: cars knowing when to brake or change lanes. Healthcare imaging. Deep learning analyzes medical images like X-rays, helping doctors detect diseases. Example: detecting signs of diseases like pneumonia from chest X-rays. Gaming and creativity. Deep learning can create realistic characters and environments in video games. Example: games with lifelike characters and interactive environments. Financial trading. Deep learning predicts stock prices and market trends. Example: analyzing patterns in financial data to make investment decisions. In essence, deep learning uses layered structures to help computers understand complex patterns and make intelligent decisions. It's used in various fields to make machines smarter and enable them to perform tasks that were once thought to be only within the realm of human capability. These are the few opportunities in AI. AI engineering. As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, the demand for AI engineers who can develop, deploy, and maintain AI systems is on the rise. Data science. AI relies heavily on data, and data scientists are crucial for cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting the data that AI models use to learn. Machine learning. Specialists in machine learning are sought after to design, train, and fine-tune AI models for specific tasks, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. AI ethics and regulation. With the growth of AI, there's a need for experts who can address ethical concerns, bias, and policy development related to AI technologies. Research and innovation. AI is still a rapidly evolving field, leaving room for researchers and innovators to develop new algorithms, techniques, and applications. Healthcare. AI has transformative potential in healthcare, with opportunities for creating diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and predictive models for disease outbreaks. Finance. AI can optimize trading strategies, risk assessment, and fraud detection, creating opportunities for professionals in financial analysis and technology. Retail and marketing. AI-powered recommendation systems, customer behavior analysis, and supply chain optimization create opportunities for improving customer experiences. Autonomous vehicles. The development of self-driving cars requires expertise in AI, robotics, and sensor technologies. Natural language processing. NLP specialists work on chatbots, language translation, sentiment analysis, and voice recognition systems. Entertainment and gaming. AI is used to create realistic characters, simulate virtual worlds, and enhance user experiences in games and entertainment platforms. Cybersecurity. AI is used for threat detection, anomaly detection, and network security, offering opportunities for experts in securing AI systems. Environmental and sustainability applications. AI can be employed to optimize energy consumption, manage resources, and predict natural disasters, offering opportunities for creating sustainable solutions. Education and training. As AI becomes more prevalent, there's a need for educators and trainers who can teach others about AI technologies. Consulting and startups. AI consultants help businesses integrate AI solutions into their operations, and startups often emerge to address specific AI-related challenges. Quantum computing and AI. The intersection of quantum computing and AI holds potential for solving complex problems that traditional computers struggle with. How can we start our AI learning journey? First step is to understand the basics of AI. Start by grasping the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials available to introduce you to these concepts. There are online courses and tutorials. Take advantage of online learning platforms like Coursera, Udacity, edX, and Khan Academy. They offer courses ranging from introductory to more advanced levels, taught by experts in the field. Refer books and resources. There are numerous books written for beginners in AI and machine learning. A popular choice is Artificial Intelligence, A Guide to Intelligent Systems by Michael Negnevitzky. Then need to learn programming languages. Learn a programming language commonly used in AI, such as Python. Python has extensive libraries and frameworks, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, that make it easier to implement AI models. Next, understand foundations of machine learning. Focus on understanding the basics of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. This will provide a solid foundation for more advanced topics. Practice with projects. Practical experience is crucial. Start with small projects like creating a basic chatbot or predicting simple patterns. As you gain confidence, move on to more complex projects. Search for online communities, videos, lectures, and forums. Join AI-related communities like Reddit's or Machine Learning or Stack Overflow. These communities are great for asking questions, sharing ideas, and learning from others. Platforms like YouTube offer a wealth of educational content, including video lectures, tutorials, and talks by AI experts. Keep abreast of developments. Follow AI news, blogs, and research papers to stay updated on the latest trends, breakthroughs, and discussions in the field. Experiment and learn by doing. One of the best ways to learn is by doing. Implement algorithms, build models, and experiment with different techniques. Learning from your mistakes and successes will deepen your understanding. What are the future trends in AI to expect? Automation and robotics, most significant trends in AI, with recent advances in machine learning and robotics making it possible for machines to perform more complex tasks, such as manufacturing, logistics, and transportation. Hyperautomation, using advanced technologies, including machine learning and artificial intelligence, to improve customer service and speed up various processes. AI adoption is expected to skyrocket in 2023, with resulting in standardized software and devices that can be easily integrated with existing systems. Edge AI has the power to transform our daily lives by making common consumer devices context-aware. AI in healthcare has the potential to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. Autonomous vehicles has the potential to revolutionize transportation and logistics. AI and cybersecurity, with the ability to detect and prevent cyber threats in real time. Reinforcement learning and self-learning systems has the potential to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of AI systems. Hope you found the video helpful. If you think this video could be useful to someone else, feel free to share it with them also. This video is part learning initiative by MyLoca to make aware on the future opportunities. We're looking forward to having you with us in our upcoming videos.